4 essential tips for email marketing. This is Craig with Upstride. I provide helpful tips for digital marketing. Today, I'm giving you 4 essential tips of email marketing that can turn your list into a gold mine. First things first, your email list is like an ATM machine, but only if you know the PIN, and that's building relationships. It starts with a killer subject line. Think of it as the key to unlocking your customer's attention. Make it catchy, make it relevant, and above all, make it irresistible. Second, onto the body of your email. This is where you connect. Personalization is key. Address your readers by name, talk about their pain points, and offer solutions. Keep it concise, clear, and valuable. No fluff, just the good stuff that educates, entertains, or enlightens. Third, don't forget the call to action. This is where the magic happens. Be bold, be direct, and give them a reason to click. Whether it's for more information, exclusive deals, or a must-have product, your CTA should be the beacon that guides them to the next step. And fourth, remember, consistency is key. Regular emails keep you on top of mind, but don't bombard them. It's a fine balance between being informative and becoming spam. Build those relationships and watch conversions climb. If you need a great digital marketing product with 100% commission or want help creating your own, go to my profile page for my website to get my free 6-figure digital marketing blueprint. See you on the inside.